What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Honda VTX 1300. Guys, this bike is an awesome color. I love I think this is the C. We have tons of R's that we get in. This is one of very few C's we get in. It's got a couple of scuffs in the paint right there, if you can see those. Got plenty of tread on the back tire. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. Tank is in good shape. I just love this color. It's so aggressive looking, the bike itself, and then the color is just super cool. Big old Cobra floorboards on it. Front fender's in great shape. This was actually a local trade. Front tire's got plenty of tread. Guy that buys a number of bikes from us, his buddy traded it in. Tank's in great shape, board's in good shape. They take care of their bikes. I mean, that's kind of just the nature of the beast with these people. That's why I love trading these things in. Just gonna be a ton of bike. This titanium color is just absolutely gorgeous. It only has, I think, 10,000 on it? 10,000, 77 miles. It runs perfect. Like I said guys, 2005 VTX 1300, great looking bike. These bikes do not last long. This is such a great looking hot rod bike, guys. I love this bike, I love this color. Thanks Tom for watching, guys.